How to add full reel to Instagram story. It's very simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application Instagram. Make sure you are using the updated version. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your reel section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Move into any of the reel video that you'd want to post on the story. Let's say I want to post this on my story. Click on the share icon. Now tap on Add to Story at the bottom left corner of the screen. At the bottom, you can see that you can select the range for the video up to where you want to post it on the story. If you want to post the full video, then all you gotta do is select full video and then tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see that full video from the reel has been added to your story. If you want to post, tap on your story at the bottom left corner of the screen, and after that you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.